Hey y'all, this is your girl DR, and I am making this video to inspire someone today. And this has been on my mind, but there is some young person who have been very discouraged and been discouraged from going to church. You have been a person that's been going to church for some time, but sometimes as a young person, you could be looked funny in church. Someone is judging you, or someone hear about your problems, or just some rumors, or you're going through your issues, excuse me, and somebody might give you that look like, oh, you ain't married yet, or that type of look like, I know what you're going through. Look at you, a hot mess. Well, I want to encourage you today to just let it go. Let it go and keep going to church. Don't let these folks in church discourage you, because let me tell you, we all got some skeleton in our closets. Even the ones that act like they most holy and sanctified. And I could speak about it because I have been in that area where, I have went through my phase where I was very discouraged. I remember when I just became a believer, just got baptized, and I was always growing up in church, but you know, you're striving to do the right thing, and sometimes, because you're not doing everything right. And you come in church and some people might know you or around the way or something like that, and they just give you that funny look or give you some attitude like, I know who you are, or something to just kind of, the devil's always finding ways to discourage you. And I just wanted to encourage you today. I came back from church, from Union Baptist Church. It was a blessing to see so many young people out there. I mean, young people all over from different parts of New Jersey, Jersey City, Newark, Passaic, all over, just really praising God and just, giving it they all. And as young people, we out there, we struggling through a lot of issues. Some young people in church, they could have been somewhere else. And I just felt so inspired today to say, wow, look what God is doing. All of us, we struggling with our different problems and issues. But I just want to encourage my brothers and sisters, the young adults, to keep pressing on with God through these trials and tribulation, because we're living in a world that is very, very challenging at times, and we come across a lot more, I think, challenges than probably our parents did, or our great grandmothers, grandfathers. We're living in a time where things are a little bit more challenging and testy. So I just want to encourage my young folks out there, in your 20s, your 30s, some of y'all in your 40s, I feel like y'all 25. But I just want to encourage you to keep going on, pressing on with God, because at the end of the day, we're all going to have to answer to God. And God knows the real deal behind our stories, what we've been doing, even behind them closed doors. So we can't fool nobody but ourselves. And don't worry about them phony hypocrites that's been watching you or giving you an attitude, because you know what? At the end of the day, you're still special. God knows what He doing with you. Yes, you are not perfect like myself, and I'm one of those persons who I will praise God regardless. I don't care who watching me or give me any type of looks. Trust me, because that has been something that I prayed and asked God to help me to overcome the area of where I don't get that other people get to me. I'm a type of person now, I don't take things too personal no more like I used to. Or somebody could give me an attitude or act like they don't want to talk to me. I'm the type of person I will walk past and still say hi, show some love, and still press on and praise God like I don't even know what happened. So pray. I'm going to pray with you about it, because it doesn't come so easy to get to that point. And like I said, this is just an encouragement for you to just keep pressing on with God. I'm a little boiled up right now because I was at church all day, and I'm glad to see my boys at church. It's good to see young African American, Hispanic in that community, young boys doing something positive. They're not out there doing nothing crazy. So I just want to encourage you all to keep pressing on with God like myself. And just let them little phony attitudes go. All right, so this is your girl DR, just sending a quick video, even though I'm feeling kind of hot, y'all. That background, y'all see me have that fan on. I have my AC on, but I wanted to make this little inspiring video straight from my room. All right, y'all, so just showing you some love. I'll speak to y'all next time. God bless y'all.